Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and like, share my videos. And what I do here is Dollar Tree hauls, decorating, gardening, and cooking and crafting. So if you like that kind of thing, please subscribe and hit the little bell at the bottom of the screen so you don't miss out. So we're going to get ready to get into this haul. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Welcome back. I'm going to quickly go through a few things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Some of it's not exciting. Some of it is I thought were pretty good deals. I hadn't been to the Dollar Tree in a while because my store never has anything good. I think these things I picked up from another store. So before I show you those new things, I want to show you what I got. Just general everyday types of things, not exciting, but just a box of tissues. These things, I really like these. I would think these would be on my top 5 things from the Dollar Tree. They really do pick up things that could go down into your sink. So I found another one of those. I don't want to show you the Halloween stuff just yet. Excuse Teddy in the background barking. He sees somebody outside. But I picked up some of these 81 milligram of aspirin. And let's see what else is not exciting. Just some light bulbs. We got 3 packs of light bulbs. And we got this for a craft my husband's going to be working on. It's the what they call the reindeer moss, and I think getting this from the Dollar Tree is a good deal. Okay, what else did I get that wasn't boring? I got some after shower deodorant powder, and I got him his body powder medicated. He told me I had to hurry up and do this Dollar Tree haul because I had his powder. And then they had these big bottles. This is 32 fluid ounces of hydrogen peroxide. So I picked up 2 of them. I thought that was really good. And then these things would also go into my top 5. And I got 2 of them. I usually take and put them up in my attic area. But they're the moisture eliminator charcoal. It traps excess moisture, eliminates tough odor, and prevents water damage. I showed you in an older video, I don't remember what the name of the video was, but once you open these and you put them out there, when you check back in a while, this will be filled halfway up with water, so that kind of tells you, you know, that you may have a lot of moisture in that particular area. Let's see, do I have anything else before we get into the fall thingies? Oh, just my dishwashing tablets, Ultra Shine. You get 10 in a pack. They work all right. It's better than spending $5. And then I saw this coconut oil and sea salt pure vegetable soap by Bolero, and I wanted to give that a try. So I'll be trying that out. Okay, so let's get into what I picked up for fall Halloween. I saw this ribbon. It's like a gold and white, and it has little spiders, gold spiders, and a spider web on it. And I'm doing my dining room table in a gold and white and black theme this year. So this will come in handy for something in there, I'm sure. And then I saw these butterfly clips. And the wings are spider webs, and I thought, okay, I had bought some other butterfly wings to do for a craft project that I was going to do for Halloween, but once I saw these are perfect. So I'll be sure to share that craft with you shortly. And then I saw these loop bags with the twist ties. You get 25 in the bag, and they have all kind of different little bottles on it. And I use this when I make my caramel popcorn. And so if you'd like to know how to make caramel popcorn, check out my video. I'll show you how I make it. Okay, there's another bag here with a couple of other Here we go. I thought this was so pretty that I had to pick it up. Look at that. The colors are beautiful. And see on the side. And I guess it's a little treat box or something. See inside there's flowers. I'm probably going to use it for decor, but I really love these colors. So I had to get that. And then I picked up a card. Oh, I forgot about this. I picked up a card for my grandson for Halloween. Isn't that cute? It says, "At last I discovered the formula to make the perfect grandson. Start with you, grandson. That's it. Perfect. Happy Halloween." So hopefully I won't lose this before Halloween. I put stuff up and forget where I put it. And then I did pick up one, before I show you this, I picked up one thing Christmas related because I saw it and thought it probably would not be there when I went back. But look at these. They had these placemats. And they had exactly 4 where I saw them, so I got them because I have not seen these anywhere else before. I saw someone else haul them. They were thinking about making pillows out of them. I don't know. If I do, I'll do it with hot glue. That way I can take it apart. But I'll probably use them as placemats in my kitchen. And I'll be showing you how I decorate my kitchen for, I'm not going to say fall because it's going to be Halloween. It'll probably be in another week or so. I've got all my Halloween stuff out and kind of coordinating it. And once I get it together, I'll be sure to share. And this was the Christmas thing that I picked up. I saw it and I thought I'm going to get it because it may not be there when I go back. But it's a reindeer and snowflake stencil. And I probably might stencil these on my windows in the kitchen. And if I do that, I'll be sure to show you how they turn out. So that's all I picked up on this Dollar Tree haul. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to come back and check out my other videos. I'll be coming out with some more, probably shortly, a gardening and a dining room table decoration for Halloween. Talk to you on the next one. Bye-bye.